in front of the screen, you're able to see the TSM icons. Okay, so you just click the icons, then you will go into the software. So inside the software, they got 6 icons. Okay, let's go to the about. About will show you the official versions, which is already activated for your license. Okay, then language, of course you can choose your language. For us it's English or auto will be the English. See the receiver here, so you just click the receiver. Okay, then select the device type. So for us is Trimble RAS, so we select the Trimble RAS and make sure the receiver serial number is correct and tally with your receiver. So you can add in, okay, and scan with the Bluetooth. Their connection is using the Bluetooth. So for my case, I already pair the device. If you haven't paired the device, you can scan the device and pair it automatically. Okay, for example, I pressing the scan just now, so you're able to see the RX Bluetooth. So you just tick and OK, they will pair to the device. Then make sure you select the correct device and press the connect buttons. Connecting. So after connection established, so you can see the button is green colors. So after change the green colors means the connection between the controller, which is your handphones, is successful connected with your rover. Okay, go to the rover. So if you're using the corrections, RTK corrections for using the radio, then you need to choose the radio. For now, we're using the network. Then you choose the network RTKs. Then inside here, you're able to configure. Normally, will come with the will standardly come with our IP address, port numbers, username and password, and CMR, the correction mark points. We will configure everything for you before delivery. Okay, then you just start the corrections. Starting, then RTK now started. You can see the message down here. Then means the connection for RTK successful. So you can going out and you can create your job. Okay, for my case, I will create one. Same example, GPSL 01. Okay, for example, my job, and I need to choose the coordinate system. So for Singapore coordinate system with the job model, this one is every time after you select the correct one, they will store for this. Okay, for Singapore, you scroll down. Okay, you're able to see the standard Singapore SUI21 and select the job model. Okay, for my case, because I already select just now, so I just select back the same SUI21 with the job models. Okay, then okay, so the job will be create GPSL01. Okay, after create the job, you can start the survey. Go to survey, point survey. So antenna type is internal, antenna model RAS, and bottom of antenna mount. Then the antenna height is 2 meter. It's always fixed if you're using our standard pole and our Trimble standard pole. Unless you're using others pole, then you need to measure the height to make sure it's exactly correct with the setting and the site. Okay, so we can continue. Then you can see the points here. Northing, easting, elevations is a real time. So now the solution type is RTK float. For RTK measurements, you only can measure the RTK when the solution type is fixed. If float, the accuracy it probably will be up. to certain tolerance. Okay, so yep, you can see RTK fix. So after RTK fix, then you can key in the point name. Let's say I start with the point 100 or 1, it doesn't matter. Then input the code if you got any code. If you don't have any code, then you just press a measure. Just press a measure. So they will let you know the tolerance for this point is like 15 mm. Okay. Then the vertical, this one is the horizontal XY, and vertical is the Z, the estimated accuracies. So if you're happy with the result, just continue. And they will store the points. For the continuous point, you're also doing the same thing. The number is automatic running numbers, so they will change to 100, 01. Again, continues. Okay. Then after the measurements, yeah, you can go up. You can click the button here to see through the map your points. Okay. And the icon here to see all the points informations. Okay, after measure the points, the instruments also able to do the stack up. Okay, for the stack up, we go to the survey, same locations, and point stack up. So for example, okay, this is the default settings. Yeah, 2 meters, bottom of 10 mm. Yes, continue. Then for example, I need to measure the points. Just now 100. Then I need to choose back the points. Yeah, 100. Yeah. Then I need to navigate back to the points. Just start. Yep, exactly at the points because I'm not moving. Okay. The function setup is bringing you to the points. If of course you have your own coordinates, then you're able to key in the coordinates. So after the point stack up, okay, we go to the main page. Then if everything have done, then you can go to tools. You can export up to your the result. Okay, so normally we always deal with the CSV and the text file. In this case, you're able to choose the survey mobile point, export out the text file or CSV. So most common is using the CSV. So in order to configure the first customization template, you can choose a customized template. So inside the customized template, you're able click the arrow here. You're able to choose the points number we always start with, and you drag the non-related things to the here over the down here. So we need a point name, yes. Point code, yes. Elevation, yes. Northing, easting, yes. Latitude we don't need. Longitude we don't need. Height we don't need. Precision we don't need. Vertical precision we don't need. Time day we don't need. Image we don't need. Solution we don't need. P-dot we don't need. Okay, so now you can arrange the which row is presenting. Okay, first row is the point names, continue by the northing always, then easting, northing, easting, elevation, and point code. Yep, so you're able to configure this. Then just press OK. Then you can export up to CSV. Okay, file name, so GPS length, okay, 01 maybe. Then you just export to the locations, TSM, export. So after export, okay, go to the main page. Then you search for the file. Okay, so how to search for the file is depends on your handphones. So for my handphone is the fast over the fast here. Okay, you can see. Okay, okay, over the file here you can download, then you able to see internal storage. Okay, inside the internal storage, yeah. So I go to TSM drive. Okay, then inside the TSM drive, go to export. Yep, this is my file. So with this file, you're able to email back. Just select the file, or you're using the WhatsApp to send back. It's just a normal phone.